at Technological University of the Philippines, Manila. Today, I am going to demonstrate the functions of my research project entitled The Development of Digital Controller for a Multifunctional Drafting Table. Are you ready? Let's start. This project, titled Development of a Digital Controller for a Multifunctional Drafting Table, was designed to integrate manual drafting and computer-aided design in a single ergonomic workstation. The system aims to modernize classroom instruction, enhance accuracy, and support students and teachers in performing tasks efficiently.
The prototype is built from marine plywood coated with a vinyl wood finish and covered with a clear acrylic sheet. Beneath the surface lies an all-in-one desktop computer with a 37-inch monitor, wireless keyboard, mouse, and soundbar with microphone. The structure is reinforced with aluminum angle bars and supported by caster wheels with safety locks for mobility and stability. To operate, plug the power cord into the outlet. Turn on the red switch to activate the tilt and height motion system and the green switch to power the all-in-one desktop computer. The LCD digital display then lights up, showing the initialized height and angle readings of the tabletop. The system uses color-coded push buttons for precise control. The red buttons decrease the height and tilt angle, while the green buttons increase them. The digital display panel shows real-time height in centimeters and angle in degrees, ensuring accuracy during operation. The prototype's fixed base height is 92 centimeters from the ground. Through the digital controller, the table can extend up to an additional 50 centimeters, reaching a maximum height of 142 centimeters. The digital tilt adjustment ranges from 0 to 66 degrees, giving users full flexibility during drafting, rendering, and CAD operations. The digital controller automatically adjusts to presets modes, each configured for specific activities. 92 to 95 cm is the suggested height for manual drafting. Since the fixed height of the table is 92 cm, and if we wish to have a 95 cm height, we are going to use the green button in the digital controller to add more 3 cm. 30° to 45° angle is the suggested angle for manual drafting. Using the green button in the digital controller, we're going to input the 45° angle. This height and angle provides comfortable posture for technical drawings. This is how the 95 cm and 45° angle looks like when seated and when standing. 95 to 115 cm is the suggested height for painting or rendering. Since the fixed height of the table is 92 cm, and if we wanted to have 115 cm, we are going to use the green button in the digital controller to add more 23 cm to achieve the 115 cm height. 25° to 50° is the suggested angle for painting or rendering. If we wanted to have a 50° angle, we're going to use the green button in the digital controller. This angle and this height is suitable for artistic shading and coloring. This is how the 115 centimeter height and 50-degree angle for painting or rendering looks like when seated and when standing. (105 to 125 centimeter is the suggested height for CAD work using all-in-one PC. If we wanted to have the 125 centimeter, since the fixed height of the table is 92 centimeter, we're going to use the green button in the digital controller to add 33 centimeter in height. 0 degree to 66 degree is the suggested angle for CAD work using all-in-one PC. Using the green button in the digital controller, we're going to input the 66 degree. This height and angle is for digital drawing using AutoCAD. This is how the 125 centimeter and 66 degree angle looks like when seated and when standing. (92 to 110 centimeter is the suggested height when writing for lectures. If we wanted to have 110 centimeter for the height, and since 92 centimeter is the fixed height of the table, we're going to use the green button in the digital controller and input 18 centimeter. 0 degree to 20 degree is the suggested angle when writing for lectures. Using the green button, we're going to input the 20 degree angle. This height and angle is ideal for note-taking or classroom discussions. This is how the 110 centimeter and 20 degree angle for writing lectures looks like when seated and when standing. A built-in tool drawer is located beneath the tabletop, sliding smoothly through ball bearing guides. It stores drafting tools and materials such as pencils, rulers, compasses, and templates, keeping the workspace clean and organized. The drawer remains fixed and level during height and tilt adjustments, preventing tools from sliding or falling. For enhanced instructional use, a soundbar with a built-in microphone is integrated below the monitor. It provides clear audio during online classes, CAD discussions, and presentations.
The all-in-one PC is connected to our secondary screen via HDMI cable, projecting real-time lessons, plans, or digital drawings for group viewing or class demonstrations.
Safety features include caster wheel locks, trimmed edges, and protected wirings to prevent hazards. The table remains stable during both height and angle movement, ensuring safe operation at all times.
digital controller for a multifunctional drafting table is more than just an innovation. It is a step forward, modernizing drafting education, combining technology, ergonomics, and precision. It empowers both teachers and learners to perform with accuracy, comfort, and creativity. Once again, I am Mr. John Vincent Emperador, and this is my research project, the development of a digital controller for a multifunctional drafting table.